Welcome back, everyone. Today's adventure will take us on a trail run through the Holcomb Valley near Big Bear, California. This will be the tale of my Lexus GX460 and two Jeeps. Near the beginning of the year, the Big Bear area of California received quite a bit of snowfall. And whenever the snow falls, we must get into it. And this is how we started our day. Just a few families getting out into the wilderness, trying to escape the stressors that have been brought upon all of us by the pandemic, the events of 2020, and so many other things. There's no better place to be than out there. And that's what we did. We got out there. So I hope that you enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed being out there, amongst family, amongst friends, amongst the wilderness, and with my GX. I would like to give you a drone view of some of the area that we will be exploring. While this is only a small view, it gives you an idea of what it means to get out there. And hopefully it will inspire you to get out there, because there's nothing like it.
Won't you sing with me? Leave everything for me. Stay the night. Oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out. Let's hang out. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays.
There's nothing quite like watching the kids enjoying themselves in the snow.
Tonight will turn minutes into days, and nothing's gonna make me look away. Lover or friend, real or pretend, however we end, tonight will turn minutes into days. Tonight will turn minutes, however we end. Tonight will turn minutes into days.
This is the part of the trail when we started to see a lot more traffic. Lots of great looking rigs here. And here we are, making our own. This is Anthony and his family in his brand new Jeep Gladiator.
The sun is always shining bright. People
And here we have Greg and Renee, an awesome couple of neighbors in their Jeep.
no rain, no flowers. Nothing's growing where your heart is fire.
And last but certainly not least,
You're cold.
is little old me.
Even in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night. No, I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold.
And we're driving along just fine, exploring the area, enjoying the snow.
The sun is always shining bright.
Nothing could go wrong, right?
If the sky would open
Wrong.
up, you're staying
Up ahead on the trail,
You always
this is what happened.
but LA changed her. No rain, no flowers. Nothing's growing where
For those of you who follow the channel and are familiar with Vader, you know that he is a 2013 GX460 Premium, equipped with a Dobinson's 3-inch lift, front and rear, center differential lock, multi-terrain select, crawl control, 4-low, and 34-inch Nito Ridge Grapplers 285 7018s. And as you can see, when you're in snow and mud, none of that means anything. So I want to teach you something today. Regardless of what type of four-wheel drive system you have, what type of crawl control, multi-terrain select, front, rear lockers, center differential locker, it means nothing. Out of all that I just said, there's one major thing that I failed to mention, and that is airing down your tires. At the beginning of the trail, I made the decision to air down to 18 psi. While that would be sufficient in most situations, it was not such the case today. So I guess that I can chalk this up to a learning experience. That goes to show you, each time out on the trail, there's always something new to learn. In this situation, the last thing that I wanted was to be holding up the rigs behind me on the trail. I decided to take my tires down to 11 psi, which is what I should have done in the first place. At over 6,000 pounds after modifications, the GX460 is a heavy vehicle. It matters not what type of four-wheel drive system you have, crawl control, multi-terrain select, front differential locker, center differential locker, rear differential locker. If you can't put that power down onto the trail, you're dead in the water. And before long, we were back on the trail again with no issues. I'd like to thank you for watching with me one more time. If you've stuck around this long, please consider liking, subscribing, and ringing the bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded. Hope to see you again soon. Until next time, Lex Vader out.
The sun is always shining bright, but if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed.